Hello and welcome to Beast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a special unboxing video. This is a gift from my wife actually. So actually it's been some time I did my last unboxing video. And I know this is something special. This is not Hot Wheels. I think you guys already know what's inside this box because of the caption of this video. Anyway, let's see what's inside. I already opened it because I was so nervous to see this packaging. Right, let's see. Actually, good packaging, you know. Alright, there you go. Just give me a second. I'll try to fix the camera and come back to you guys. Alright guys, this is what inside the box. This is M2 machine, Auto Japan Series 3. I already have Series 1 and 2, but I didn't do any unboxing videos of those ones. So this is Series 3, and the specialty is this thing is all about Mooneyes. So as you guys know, this is the Mooneyes logo. Mooneyes is a racing company or sort of stuff. I don't have much idea about the history of Mooneyes and what is it about. Only thing I know is it's a racing racing company or some sort of thing, because it's not that popular in Australia as well. It's just a US thing, I guess. So anyway, so this is the Series 3. This is all about Nissans and Datsuns and everything. So let's check. So first of all, there's no chase piece in here, so these are all regular stuff, but still these ones are limited editions. All right, let's start from the left. This is 1971 Nissan Skyline GTR. So this JPN3 means this is the Series 3, and it's 8,980 pieces worldwide, limited edition. Very cool casting. Check the details. Check those details. Whoa. Right, I'll open them later. I'll go one by one first. And this is again 1971 Nissan Skyline GTR with a yellow color variation with Mooneyes in the hood. Cool casting again. M2 is all about details, you know. M2, Auto World, Tomica Limited Vintage, Tarmac Works. Now the newest one is Hong Kong Tiny and Inno 64. They all are very much concentrating about the details. So this is 1969 Datsun Bluebird 1600 SS. This is the Datsun Fighting wagon, I think. Yeah, pretty cool with this blue color, right? Go with Moon. Check the Go with Moon logos. Oh, right. Next one is 97 again Datsun Bluebird. Datsun. Whoa, what's this reddish logo? It says, oh, I can't see it's that much tiny. Anyway, perfect details into. And the last two is Nissan Fairlady Z432. At first I thought this is sort of a Zamac, but it's just a silver color painting. I like this raw color paintings anyway. Wow, cool piece. And then last one, the black color variation of Fairlady Z. Whoa! All right, I'll start opening everything. Oh, it's sealed. I want to open this stuff, but how about let's keep this as it is at this moment, and yeah, I'll do a photo shoot later. How about that? Yeah. All right, thanks for understanding me, guys, because I don't want to open these ones at this stage. I don't have. I'm running out of space at the moment, so I need to, you know, first of all I need to organize everything properly, and then I will definitely open these ones and take some photos for you guys. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. So if you guys are interested in M2s, if you're in Australia, unfortunately there's no M2s in our supermarkets or retail shops, so you have to beg. You have to go shopping on eBay or M2 website, but the postage is killing me at this stage. M2 website postage is very high. I bought these ones from an eBay dealer. So I think just check on eBay regularly, you might find a good deal. Actually, these ones are worth buying, and these ones, the cost is very high. I know I spent about $75 for this set, 75 Australian dollars with postage, so I think that's all right. But this is worth for that $75, you know. Very, very, very beautiful complete set. I got the other two Auto Japan series as well, but they are still in boxes. So I just thought to show you guys this one because this is the most recent one, and this is with Mooneyes. So yes, again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys with another video. Bye. See you.